If you could turn back time, what would you do?
Nung bata pa ako, elementary,
Ah,
sobrang kulit ko nun. Sis, napakalaga ng environment eh. Meron kang isang tao na ayaw mo, tapos di ko alam kung maayos ba akong tao ngayon by the grace of our God, Father.
Hello, sir.
Hello,
What's your name po?
Ian David Sagulan.
Ian Dave Sagolay. So, anong university ka po pumapasok ngayon?
Actually, sa university, dyan lang sa may college sa Iris.
Sa Iris. So, bali, interviewin ka po namin ngayon. So, okay lang po ba? May have our...
Yes, okay naman.
Sige po. Thank you po. So, bali, ito po yung magiging question. So, if you could turn back time and change one thing, what would it be and why?
Oh, if I could turn back time, maybe I would change myself as my younger self. Kasi nung bata pa ako, elementary, sobrang kulit ko nun. Tapos hindi ako masyadong nag-aaral. So maybe kapag na-turn back time ko, yun yung ayusin ko.
So, if
Yeah.
mapapalik mo yung oras,
Yes.
pipiliin mo maging academic achiever. Ganun.
Yes.
So,
Saka magiging maayos sa bata na rin.
fine na ba?
Napakapasuway ko kasi dati.
Sige, sige.
Yeah.
So, another question, sir. So, how have your past experiences, katulad nga po ng sinabi niya, sir, na shape who you are today? Paano ba siya-shape? Kung ano yung ngayon kayo?
Kung paano siya-shape. Depends yan sa sa environment. Sis, napakalaga ng environment eh. Like, katulad nga nung dati, napakulit ko kasi napakakulit din ng mga kaibigan ko. Like, yung mga classmates ko. So, napapasama na rin ako. Kaya ganun. So, kapag ngayon, medyo na ako kasi, nadidisiplina na rin ako ng mga guardian ko, pati na rin yung mga kaibigan ko. Parang, so, medyo na-influence ako sa kanila.
So, peer influence, no?
Yes.
Sige, sige. Another question, sir. So, ito. What lessons did you learn from those experiences?
Oh, I've learned so many things like paano makipag-ayos lalo na kapag meron kang isang tao na ayaw mo tapos kala mo ganito siya ganito like parang ang sama ng tingin mo sa kanya. Like hindi pala. So you need to slow things down. Like pag munang i-judge ka agad kasi hindi naman siya ganun. So kailangan muna i-approach mo na talaga. Like, may communication dapat kasi isa. So, like, kaya nga kapag na-apply ko yun sa sarili ko, like, kung paano ako shape tapos kung paano ako, di ko alam kung maayos ba akong tao ngayon or hindi. So, parang na-apply ko rin sa sarili ko.
So, dapat wag tayo basta-basta magpadali sa first impression natin sa tao. So, last question, sir.
Okay, last question.
So, what motivates you to keep moving forward despite challenges?
Well, first of all, by the grace of our God, Father, Lord Jesus, King, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, aside from that, my family and also my loved ones like my girlfriend. Yeah. Kasi sila yung naging motivation ko para mag-push forwards like what if kapag hindi ko ginalingan ngayon tapos like parang masisira din yung mga naging relasyon namin ngayon. So kailangan mas gagalingan ko pa para ma-improve ko yung buhay namin.
So, yun, sir. Thank you very much. Tapos na po yung interview namin, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Kasi nung time din na yun, nagka-TV ako, time management na rin. Hindi na rin nila ma-experience yung experience ko.
Good afternoon po. So, I'm Jella po and you are?
Everson,
So, saan po kayo nag-aaral?
Iris,
So, pwede po kayo namin matanong about sa subject namin, understanding the...
sige na.
Okay, so, yung first question ko po sana is, if you could turn back time and change one thing, what would it be and why?
Actually, nung last 2 years, kasi magka-college na rin ako nun eh. Gusto ko sana siya baguhin kasi gusto ko mag-try sa ibang school. Kasi nung time din na yun, nagka-TV ako. So, may mga school na hindi ako tinanggap. Ganyan. So, mas ayos sana kung mag-gap year ako nun and para na rin sa opportunities sa ibang universities.
So, yung mga experiences mo na yun po, how did it shape you po? Mga experiences
Siyempre,
you learn from it.
Siyempre sa akin, sa na akong mag-research ko ano yung mga gusto ko and ngayon, time management na rin kasi nasayang din yung taon.
So, since yun nga po, may na-experience ka na hindi masyadong maganda. So, what motivates you to keep on moving forward?
Besides sa nagiging lesson, syempre, at binibigay ko na rin na advice yun sa iba. Para syempre, hindi na rin nila ma-experience yung experience ko.
So, yun lang po. Thank you.
Now, I'm struggling in academics. Try and try lang. May matututunan mo din yun. Gusto ko sila mabigyan ng maayos na buhay in the future.
Hello po, my name po is Jasmine Kim po. Ano po pangalan?
Ako po si Shane A. Calado.
Pwede ka po ba namin ma-interview for UTS subject lang?
Sure.
Ano po, yung question po, if you could turn back time and change one thing, what would it be and why?
Siguro kung babalik ako in time, siguro babaguhin ko lang yung habits na nakasanayan ko kasi as of now, I'm struggling in academics. So gusto ko, pagbalik ko in time, gusto ko baguhin yung mga way ko kung paano ako mag-aral. Gusto ko mag-focus na lang mag-aral.
Yung next question po is, what lesson did you learn from those experiences?
Experiences, like past experiences, siguro, yung na-learn ko lang naman is, dati kasi tinatry ko mag-give up in things na akala ko hindi ko kaya. Pero, try and try lang. May matututunan mo din yun.
Yung last question po, what motivates you to keep moving forward despite challenging?
Ang nagmo-motivate talaga sa akin is yung mga tao na sumusuporta sa akin until now. Despite na alam nila na mahirap yung sitwasyon ko, may pinoproblema akong ganito. And syempre yung kalagayan ko sa buhay, like yung kalagayan ng family ko, gusto ko sila mabigyan ng maayos na buhay in the future.
Yun po. Thank you po.
The things that I can improve myself more. Kaya ko maging better if I understand myself more. Enhance my academic more in terms
Ano po, yung question po namin is, if you could turn back the time, what would you do?
Oh, okay. To answer that question, if I can turn back time, I will do the things that I can improve myself more. Kasi parang feeling ko, due to the pandemic, meron pa sana akong may enhance sa sarili ko. But hindi ko magawa dahil there's a barrier. So, I feel na kung meron man akong chance, I will back na noon sa time ng pandemic na free yung grade 8 and grade 9 self. So I think I can enhance my academic more in terms of public speaking, in terms of my academic. I would like sumali sa mga debate. Like, I really like debate. So, yun yung gagawin ko.
Ano po, based on your past experience, what motivates you to keep moving forward?
I've experienced so many things like parang about mental health. Parang yun yung naging motivation ko na kaya ko maging better if I understand myself more. If I could pursue what I really want. Kasi parang kapag hindi mo naiintindihan yung sarili mo, if you hindi mo love yung sarili mo, hindi mo naiintindihan, parang hindi mo rin makakayanan mo-motivate. So, sa counseling psychology, doon nga pumapasok yung kailangan mo muna maging focus sa sarili mo, maging motivated, and you need to analyze yourself.
Last question po, name po and what year?
I am Ria from Site 51, BS Psychology.
Thank you so much po, ate.
I was so independent pa. Sino yung makakatulong sa'yo?
hindi ko siya totally gusto na course.
Ayan, hello po. Ayan, ang question lang po namin, if you could turn back time, what would you do po?
Honestly, for me, siguro babalikan ko yung pre-pandemic. Kasi, nung mga time na yon, I was so independent pa. Pero kasi, nung nag-start yung pandemic, naging dependent ako sa parents ko. Syempre, hindi naman natin ma-deny na since so hard yung time na yon, wala kang choice to depend sa kung sino yung makakatulong sa'yo. So, kung babalikan ko yun, siguro, yun yung pipiliin ko. Sana hanggang ngayon, independent pa rin ako. Kasi after nung pandemic, parang nasanay ako na dumepende na lang sa parents ko.
Okay po. So, what motivates you to keep on going?
My parents. Kasi, I'm taking BS Psych right now. So, hindi ko siya totally gusto na course. Pero, namamotivate lang ako to continue kung ano yung nasimulan ko. Kasi, nakikita ko na sobrang saya at proud ng parent ko na pre-med yung kinukuha ko. So, parang yun na rin nagiging lakas ko to continue kung ano yung nakuha kong course ngayon. Yun lang.
Last na lang po, what's your name po and year po?
Crisel Joy Tutor po and first year college.
Thank you so much po.
Sobrang dami kong mistakes na ginawa. Lagi na lang kailangan pang itama ng mga taong nasa paligid. Improve myself from it.
Hello po, pwede po kayo ma-interview?
Sure po, pwede po.
Sige po. First question po, does your past experience shape you who you are today po?
Opo. Kasi sa lahat ng sa past ko, sobrang dami kong mistakes na ginawa. And from that, I learned my lesson na parang tama na yung pag-create ng mga mistakes. So parang nakakasawa din kasi na parang lagi na lang kailangan pang itama ng mga taong nasa paligid. So parang I decided na I try to improve myself from it.
Tapos ano po yung nagmo-motivate sa inyo para po mag-continue po sa life?
Yung nag-motivate sa akin is syempre yung parents ko and then yung friends ko, then yung partner ko. Ayun.
Thank you po. Last na po pala, ano po yung name and ano pong year nila po?
I'm Adrian Shilagting and first year po.
Thank you po.
The first thing in mind that I will probably do is there's a lot of things that motivates me to keep moving forward. Someday make my mom and dad smile.
If you could turn back time, what would you do?
That's a very difficult question, but the first thing in mind that I will probably do is be kinder.
All right. What motivates you to keep moving forward?
There's a lot of things that motivates me to keep moving forward, but it's probably the one thing that keeps motivating me every day is to someday make my mom and dad smile without the stress of financial problems.
All right. Thank you. That's a very righteous answer.
Probably fix my mistakes. Yes, definitely. They made me learn a lot of things. Kasi everything naman has the right time.
Good afternoon, Kuya. Can I ask what your name po?
Sebastian.
What prog po?
Bayside.
From what school?
St. Jude College.
Can I ask you, if you can turn back time, what will you do po?
I'll probably fix my mistakes that I've done in the past and most probably maybe claim those missed opportunities, a lot of missed opportunities.
Does your past experience shape what you are today?
Yes, definitely. They made me learn a lot of things and I've definitely learned from my mistakes and I've tried to do better.
If ever, do you have any message for other people po na nagsistruggle with their progress?
How about their progress? I'd say just trust the process lang. Kasi everything naman has the right time. So if it's not working for you right now, maybe there's something na mas better that's gonna come eventually.
Thank you po.
Everything happens for a reason. Absolutely, yeah. You learn from it, panalo ka dun eh.
What's your name?
Janus.
Okay, here's my question. If you could turn back time, what would you do?
Turn back time, no. I will not turn back the time because everything happens for a reason. So no, I won't turn back the time.
Okay. And then my second question, does your past experiences shape who you are today?
Absolutely, yeah. Kasi when you experience something and you learn from it, panalo ka dun eh. So it's a win-win situation when you learn something from your past, you evolve to something new.
Okay, thank you.
I will do exactly what I do right now po, which hindi na po maulit yung mga problem ngayon. Pero nag-shape po tayo kung
What's your name po?
Althea de los Reyes po.
Ano pong course niyo?
Right now po, cooperative po. PSCM po.
So the first question po is, if you can turn back the time, what would you do po?
If I could turn back the time po is, I will do exactly what I do right now po, which is po yung pagtatak po dito sa PUP, and syempre po, if ever na may magkamali po tayo before, I will like na di na po maulit yung mga problem ngayon. Pero po kasi kapag yung mga past mistakes mo po is parang naging lesson na rin po yun sa atin po.
So the second question po is, does your past experience shape who you are today?
Yes po, kasi po sa lahat po ng mistake po na nagagawa natin sa buhay po namin, parang natututo po tayo na mag-move forward po. For example po is, kapag nagkamali po tayo sa isang bagay na po na yon, is parang napapaisip po tayo na syempre, kapag nagawa na natin to, hindi na natin po na ito mauulit, and parang nag-shape po tayo kung ano po yung maging tamang landas po para sa atin po.
So ano po yung nakakapag-motivate sa inyo para mag-move forward?
Mag-motivate po ako firstly po sa mga pamilya ko po. Syempre, nag-suporta po sila sa amin, and yan po sa mga bago ko pong mga kaibigan ngayon. Natutulungan po nila ako sa lahat po ng problema ko. And syempre po, lastly po sa boyfriend ko po na kahit po malayo is nag-support pa rin po sa akin.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
I would choose a different strand in senior high school. Right now, yes, I am willing to fight for what I want.
So what's your name?
I am Jose Marie Villaflor.
What's your course?
I am taking Bachelor's of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management.
So here's the first question. If you could turn back the time, what would you do?
Personally, I would choose a different strand in senior high school. I would choose STEM over humanities.
So the second question is, does your past experience shape who you are today?
Right now, yes. Although humanities was not my first choice in senior high, and my course right now isn't my first choice, it's shaping who I am to be someone fair in the field of business, in any field rather, with human resource management, with people management, and management overall.
So the next question is, what motivates you to keep moving forward?
Probably myself and the people around me who keep on pushing myself as long as I am willing to fight for what I want.
Thank you po. Iko-correct ko sila to be a better person. Mga past mistakes ko. What's your name po? Hello po, I am Julia. Ano po course mo? From HRM po.
Okay, so first question po, if you could turn back time, what would you do?
If I could turn back time, I think I will look back sa mga past mistakes ko, and if I'm given the chance is iko-correct ko sila. In that way, magiging motivation ko sila to be a better person.
Next question po is, does your past experiences shape who you are today?
Yes po, because kagaya po ng sabi ko kanina, ginawa ko pong motivation yung mga past mistakes ko para hindi ko po sila ulitin and mas matuto in the future.
Okay, thank you po.
Is i-enjoy pa yung life, and fast really helps me to grow. Hindi ko talaga masyadong sinushow yung love ko sa kanila. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
What's your name?
Alison Fontarong.
What's your year and course?
First year, Bachelor Secondary of Education, major in Social Studies.
If you could turn back time, what would you do?
Siguro yung gagawin ko is i-enjoy pa yung life and mas mamahalin pa yung mga parents ko. Kasi sa ngayon, parang parang nakakapagsisi na nung bata pa ako is hindi ko talaga masyadong sinashow yung love ko sa kanila. Tapos hindi ko masyadong i-enjoy life ko, ganun.
Does your past experiences shape who you are today?
Yes, cause my past really helps me to grow, especially yung mga past experiences ko. Talagang tinulungan nila ako na i-shape kung ano ako today.
What motivates you to keep on moving forward?
Siguro yung family ko talaga, and especially si Lord, kasi siya talaga yung number one na nagiging motivator ko, lalo na pag hirap na ako or down na ako sa life.
From your past experiences, ano yung mga lessons na natutunan mo?
Yung huwag kang matakot na lumayo sa comfort zone mo kasi ito talaga yung magli-lead sa iyo na magli-lead sa growth mo.
We cannot rewind the past, nor silence the echoes it left behind. The minutes we spent in reverie, replaying a film of what could have been, and yet time moves forward, with memories clinging like shadows, aching reminders of days gone by. We carry them, not to reopen the wounds, but to understand the scars they left behind. Each step forward feels heavy with the weight of yesterday's regrets, but we choose to continue, hoping that the pain turns into something gentler. Though today may tremble with sorrow, perhaps tomorrow will whisper peace, and the dawn may embrace us in her tender light.